Intelligent business document processing in SAP Business ByDesign? It sounds cool, but what does it really mean? Can my small to medium-sized business really benefit from it? That's Mary. Mary is a brilliant baker and opened her first bakery in 2010. Due to her delicious recipes and her fancy designs, her business is going from strength to strength, and she not only hired her 250th employee, but just opened her 10th shop location. But while her business is growing, most of her employees are bakers and production staff, and her small administrative team is starting to buckle under the enormous weight of the paperwork that's required to keep her system up to date. As an entrepreneur, she already knows that there is no asset more valuable than time, and there's always too much to do rather than wasting it entering data from papers, PDFs, and emails into her ERP of choice, SAP Business ByDesign. She needs to make a choice. Either spend her time sifting through the hundreds of invoices, proofs of delivery, purchase orders, and remittance advices, or spend her time doing what she loves, baking cakes, exploring her creativity, and helping her customers. This is where intelligent business document processing for SAP Business ByDesign comes to her rescue. Instead of manually downloading, classifying, and saving her supplier invoices from emails, and then typing them one by one into SAP Business ByDesign, the intelligent invoice scanning, hand in hand with an automation bot, will do that for her, using a mix of SAP AI Business Services and SAP Robotic Process Automation integrated in or working side by side with her SAP Business ByDesign system. What about all those receipts she and her sales team got when they joined the food fair last week, which now need to be added to her travel expense report? Or the 100+ business cards that need to be converted into contacts and leads? No worries, the intelligent mobile scanning will do that for her, using a mix of OCR with machine learning models embedded in her SAP Business ByDesign mobile app. Mary used to receive a lot of purchase orders via emails from event organizers. Now, instead of her manually creating sales orders by copying and pasting the relevant data from the emailed purchase order, the intelligent RPA bot will take care of that at the scheduled time, extracting all the necessary information with the help of the Document Information Extraction Service, and creating a draft sales order for her in SAP Business ByDesign. Today, all Mary needs to do is validate the drafts and deal with the exceptions. After delivering the cakes, the delivery company sends her proof of delivery, and in the past, she needed to identify which proof of delivery belonged to which delivery note in order to upload them in the system. Now, however, an RPA bot takes care of all that, extracting the PODs from the emails, classifying them, identifying the related delivery note and invoice, and uploading the PDF with the customer signature to the right business object in SAP Business ByDesign. But that's not the end of the story about our robot and how he can support Mary. And the cool thing is, these bots are provided as best practice templates, which are easily extensible and customizable to any other business document or business process Mary may have. How about something as simple as refreshing all your Excel reports with fresh data from SAP Business ByDesign without the need to manually open each one, press the refresh button, and then save them? Done! That's Mary. Mary is more than happy with the intelligent business document processing capabilities offered by SAP Business ByDesign, because now she can focus completely on the aspects of her business that really matter to her. Stay tuned and be prepared for the new, exciting possibilities we have on our Intelligent Enterprise for SAP Business ByDesign roadmap.